Hey guys, JD Garage here. So I got my Thunderbird, got the deck lid to lock, as you guys can see here. Just pull out the key. Before, it would not lock at all, and stuck open. So you see, give her opens like that, and before it would slam down. I'd push it down like this, and it would just do that. But now, because of my my expertise in fuck all, I used 1/2 inch ratchet, 1/4 inch drive, and a can of WD-40, and I got this thing to close. So yeah, now it closes, and I'm a happy camper. I should have recorded me actually doing the process of like taking it apart and shit, but you get the whole gist of it. I gotta open this back up because I gotta show you the thing that I had to deal with. There we go. Pop this bad boy open. You squeeze under here. Don't mind all the parts in here. This right here is what I had to deal with. So you have your 1/2 inch bolts. There. One more here. And when this is locked, this does not move at all. And so I took this assembly out. And then I went over to my lamp post out there, sprayed her down with some WD-40, and it unlatched itself. Or it didn't unlatch itself, but it kind of fixed itself just a little bit. So I'm quite the happy camper because now I have a working deck lid. Yeah. Common hand tools. Common hand tool. This one. Got this from Castman. It's in my 197 piece set. Yeah, it was 111 Canadian at KMS. This, don't know where the hell I got this from. I think my dad had that in the garage somewhere. I think it was actually right up there. But anyways, thank you for watching. I shall see you guys in the next video. Peace.